Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and this video is going to be the products I love and hate for the month of November. So let's begin. So the first product here is Santa's Blueberry Shortbread Shower Gel. Now since I already said shower gel, I'm sure some of you guys who have already subscribed to my channel and watching me from the start know which brand I'm talking about. It's the Bath & Body Works, and if you did not know that, it means you haven't subscribed to my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the notification bell. That'll make me feel so good. And let's continue. So this is the shower gel. I love it. I love most of the shower gels of Bath & Body Works. I've been talking about it. I've been using it for years. It's my cult favorite. So this one's my fave. The second product is by Elave Sensitive Intensive Cream. This one is a nice product, but it's a little too liquidy to come in a tube. It should come in a pump bottle because as soon as you just turn it down, the liquid just comes out. But it's a really nice product, and this is even dermatologically approved, so you know it's really good product for dry skin people. Not sticky, not very oily. It's just perfect for dry skin people. For the body, it's amazing, but too liquidy. It's too liquidy. I don't think I'm gonna buy this again because it's too liquidy, but if I find this in some other type of packaging, maybe it is a pump bottle, then surely a big yes from me. So the next product is a product I don't think I'll ever use again. This is the wheat hair removal cream. So sometimes if it's an emergency and I have to remove body hair, I just use this one. Why I am telling that this product's not good, not because it doesn't do the job. It amazingly does the job, but the product is filled with so much of chemicals that in 3 minutes the hair from your body is going to melt off. So you already know how much of chemicals are in there, and these chemicals sink into our skin. So that's the only reason I'm saying no for this product. Otherwise, if you like taking off body hair with these creams, you can go ahead. The next product is the Rush Hour Dry Shampoo by Soap & Glory. I've used this product for a really long time and it's nice, but lately this has been leaving white residue in my hair and it does not look good at all. So I don't want my hair to have white residue and stuff like that. No, not at all. So a big no from me again. And the last product on this list again is a big no. This is a Mark Hill Styling Heat Protection. This one does not make your hair stiff and stuff like that. That works very well, but it is filled with chemicals. It smells of only chemicals. The fragrance is so strong that it can give you a headache. It gives me a headache, so I cannot use this product. So that is what it is. So I hope you guys like my video. Do share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell and show me some love.